Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ticket error. This is the most common reason for ticket error. Open the SeatGeek app and make sure you are logged in with the same email you used to buy the ticket. If you are not sure, log out, then log back in using the correct email. SeatGeek tickets need internet to be loaded. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then reopen the SeatGeek app. An outdated app can cause ticket error. Go to App Store, search for SeatGeek. If you see update, tap it. After updating, open the app again and check your ticket. Now fully close the SeatGeek app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the SeatGeek and swipe it away. Reopen the app and check for the ticket again. Restarting fix many small glitches. Turn your phone off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open SeatGeek and check your ticket. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.